Hey, what's up? This is J. Lucky Henry. So today we're talking about what does an HOA have to do with a management company, or what does a management company have to do with an HOA? Are they interchangeable? Get ready. This is J. Lucky Henry, Keller Williams agent in the greater Boston area. You won't believe how many people need to get real. REAL, Real Estate Explained, amazingly by Lucky in 90 seconds, give or take. Welcome back. It's J. Lucky Henry. So we're talking about management companies and HOAs, and are they the same? Are they different? So HOA, we've covered that. What that is, check that video out up here. But the Homeowners Association and a management company are not the same thing. However, when you live in a condo, if something goes wrong, who are you calling, the HOA or the management company? Well, that depends. Does your HOA have a management company set up, or do they have a handy person on site or nearby? So if they do have an entire management company, then you're most likely calling the management company, because let's face it, the treasurer or the president of the HOA might not be the best person you want coming to fix a leak in your condo or apartment. So the management company will handle that, and they're hired by the HOA to handle all types of things like that. From leaks to pipe bursts to heating system issues, exterior windows breaking out or anything like that. That's what the management company comes in for to handle. HOA, we already talked about what they handle, all types of rules and implementation and the hiring of your management company. But if there is no management company, then you are most likely calling people on the HOA, or people that the HOA has designated, maybe independent handy people to come and adjust things. Maybe they have a carpenter on call, an electrician on call, a plumber on call, and different tradesmen scheduled out. But if you have a management company, make sure you know that number. Make sure you know who you're calling, who the company is, what the reputation is before you buy into the HOA, to make sure that you have someone or a company you can rely on to help you in times of need. Because the last thing you want to do is find out that when something does go wrong in your property, that the management company isn't qualified to take care of it, or that the HOA hadn't foreseen such an issue. It's been real. It's been 90. Gotta go. We'll be back tomorrow with another video. This is J. Lucky Henry, and I'm here to keep it real with you. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, call or text 978-712-0244, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more.